Yeah, okay, so today's plan is to take out all the stuff I used for weight. I put some pipes to have the weight of a full exhaust, and you know, so I'm gonna take this out. Then I'm going to make like a bracket, like a metal plate for the handbrake. So what I'm thinking while I drove here is to have a metal plate bit underneath the gear lever shifting. You know what, actually the easiest thing would be for me to just show you what I'm gonna do, because Eric, as many of the other things I've done to the car, not many but a few when it comes to the brakes, I copied what Eric already has been doing, so this is what I'm gonna do. So it's gonna be, you know, not quite like this. I'm going to have a metal plate for support like this, like kind of like so, and I'm gonna have a metal plate underneath the handbrake. Mine is probably gonna sit, the handbrake is gonna sit further forward, than this is, but this is like more or less what I'm gonna copy. That's the plan for today. I'm not sure if I'm gonna weld it to the car, or I'm probably gonna weld it. Never mind. Okay, I'm gonna put you here and let's get to work. Day 2 in this video. Today's plan, I'm thinking I'm gonna put the brake lines in the car for the rear. It's gonna go through the firewall. Not sure exactly where, but I have multiple places I can put the brake line through. I'm gonna go over the tunnel, and I think I'm just gonna mount it, have it on the side of the tunnel, go in between here, go out to this e-brake, and out of the e-brake and going out, and I'm gonna take out this these two wires, and I'm gonna use this hole to have the brake line go back and underneath the car for the rear brakes. At least that is the plan for now. We'll see how it goes. I realize, well, I knew this beforehand, but I don't know if you can see it, but here, not the one with the tape, but right next to it, there's a small hole I have made, and for the brake line to go into the car and to the rear. And I knew this before, but I really should have done this made the brake line before putting the engine and the gearbox into the car. Thing is, yeah, I would have made things a lot easier for me.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah. You always make me feel like, yeah. You never leave my heart alone, yeah. For the reason I'm going out of my
So just pop this out. I'm gonna have to cut this to get this, I don't know what it's called, kind of O-ring thing. This is for the OEM fuel tank sensor, level sensor. So it's not gonna be in use ever.
You always make me feel like, oh yeah.
So the brake system, the handbrake system, is going to be something like this. I don't have the correct ball for these two. This is the correct one, but it's not long enough, so I have to buy that, and I have to buy this one. The brake line is coming from the booster, goes through the firewall, over the tunnel, along the tunnel, underneath this bracket. It's gonna have a small loop, go into the e-brake, out of the e-brake, back, underneath. I have not done anything, this just goes straight through, and I have more than enough brake line, so I'm gonna have to tee the brake line, so one for each side, and yeah, I'm gonna have to tee. I have to use T to split it, one for each side. Yeah, so I think that's gonna be it for, well, this is gonna be it for today's video. And if you like to see pictures of this, of the car in general, on Instagram you find everything. Okay, until next time, bye.